With the government policy behind them, groups of farmers who had been waiting in the wings for years moved into action. Co-ops were formed. Volunteers gave way to engineers. And in a few months, construction companies were on the move all over Alberta.
Oh, it's about a couple of 100 yards, I guess.
This time the obstacle was a marsh. Tomorrow it might be a highway, lake, or a railway crossing. With this sudden and unprecedented demand, there were shortages of everything: equipment, pipe, materials, and especially experienced personnel.